This brood box comes with everything you need to keep those little ones safe, warm, and cozy. I have the lid on now, but when I take it off, you can see that I have already installed the super soft pad here, and below that, the heating pad, which is really going to help keep them cozy and warm, and that's adjustable with the adjustments that you see here. So this is perfectly cozy, but there's so many features that come with this. You have the fixture and the bulbs to keep the incubator warm, along with the circulating fan. And then it comes with a lot of accessories that really help care for those little tiny ones. Isn't this cute? There are a bunch of little ID collars for those little ones. You have a feeding kit that comes with it. One of these so that if anything gets lodged, you can easily remove it. That's just life-saving right there. Pet pacifiers, small surgical scissors, and a measuring vial, which has a squirt knob. And there's just a whole lot more. This is really an all-inclusive kit that will help take care of puppies or kittens and keep them safe and warm. This is little Ando, and he has been very happy and cozy when he has been in here because with the soft blanket and that warmth, he just loves it. He's been sleeping and eating well. So that's really what it's all about, isn't it? Is making sure they get that good start. Right, Ando? That's right.